Geometry, grade 11, which basically talks about a line. So we'll be talking about the distance formula or the length, the midpoint formula, the gradient, and the equation of a line. So basically we are going to talk about only 2 points, which in this case I might say, let's say point A, because today is the 26th, say point A is 2 and 6. And maybe point B, we say is 3 and -5. So if we want the distance between the 2 points, we are going to substitute. We can choose this point A to be our 1, which will be x1 and y1, and this one will be x2 and y2. Basically, we are just going to substitute. So the distance of AB, we substitute on the formula, which will be my x2 here is 3 minus my x1, which is 2, all squared, plus my y2 is -5, minus my y1, which is 6. And basically from there, you're just going to press the calculator. If you are going to look for the midpoint is the middle point between the 2 points. So between A and B, because AB is a line, what is the midpoint? So we are also going to substitute. This is the formula. M into my x1 is 2 plus my x2, which is 3 all over 2, is to my y1 is 6. Then my y2 is -5 all over 2. So the midpoint will have 5 over 2 is to 1 over 2. So this is the coordinates of the midpoint. For the gradient, the same applies. We use the small letter m. My y2 is -5 minus my y1, which is 6, all over my x2 is 3 minus my x1, which is 2, which will give us -11 over 1, which means my gradient is sloped down, which is negative. Then lastly, the equation of a line. The equation of a line, y equals to mx plus c. We have to find the gradient and therefore substitute x and y to find point C. So already we have calculated the gradient. So y equals to -11x plus c. From there we are going to substitute one of the 2 points. We can say, if we substitute point A, substitute A, which is 2 and 6. So for my y, I put 6. For my x, I put 2. So we multiplied by 2 plus c. So if you multiply out, you get -22. You bring it to the other side, is positive. So my c is 28. Therefore, the equation of a line is -11x plus 28. And this is the end of the lesson for today. Thank you very much.